to the open when it's cold outside. Am I here in vain? Hold on to the nights, there will be no shame. Always I wanna be with you and make believe with you and live in harmony, harmony, oh love. I wanna be with you and make believe with you and live in harmony, harmony, oh love.
Hi guys, para happy 80th birthday po. I just want to take this time to thank you for everything that you've done for us. You're such a role model, not only for our family but for me as well. Thank you so much for being such a good example for me. If not for you, hindi ako magiging ganito ngayon. So God bless.
Dear Grandpa, happy 80th birthday sa'yo. Salamat po sa lahat. Salamat po sa pagmamahal niyo. I wish you more blessings to come and good health and also 80 more years. Love you po.
Couldn't believe my eyes. Standing there, I didn't know what to say.
80th birthday po sa inyo. Kami po ay natutuwa na umabot po kayo ng 8 years old. Unang-una po, nagpapasalamat din po kami ni Chris na sa support sa inyong dalawa ni Grandma na binigay niyo po sa amin. So, ngayon po ng birthday niyo po, kami po talaga nagagalak na inabot niyo po yung ganyang edad.
Happy 80th birthday po, Grandpa, and we love you.
And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. I was dying inside to hold you. Couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. I think I love her.